In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut lagging on your computer. So if you're trying to play back one of your videos in CapCut and the playback seems to be slow or lagging, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this issue. Now, first thing we need to do is just click somewhere on the black space in the timeline, and you need to make sure your clip is not selected. You can then click on this button here that says full, and this will adjust the playback quality. Now, we're going to lower this down to medium quality, and this will just allow for a much smoother playback. Now, don't worry, as this won't actually affect the quality of your exported video. This is simply going to change the preview window here. Now, once you've done that, the next thing we need to do is click again on this black space and then click on details in the top right hand side. You can then click on the modify button and click on performance. Now go in, enable the option for proxy and click on the resolution and reduce this down to 540p. Now, once again, this is not going to affect the quality of your exported video. This is simply going to be for our video preview playback. So go and press save. And then once you've done that, there's one more thing we need to do. So go and close out of this window. You can then click on the settings icon in the top navigation and click on settings. Now you'll see this option for cache. We're just going to click on the trash icon next to cache size, and it will say clear cache files. Go and press OK. And as you can see, this will remove all of the temporary data from CapCut. Now the last thing you can do is go and click on performance in the top navigation and uncheck the options to speed up hardware encoding and also the decoding as well. Once you've done this, go and press save. You can then head back over to your CapCut project and it should now be running much faster. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.